Greetings, future leaders of tomorrow. My name is B. Jima, and you know what? I don't have to know each and every one of you personally to want each and every one of you to succeed in college, in high school, and also in life. You see, I have made it my life's mission to be able to inspire thousands of individuals to find, discover, and unleash their greatness so that they can overcome life's challenges along their academic journey. And so for today, we are going to look at how you can harness positive energy. It is imperative that you keep a mindset where you're focused on positivity, because where your attention goes, that's where your energy flows. So oftentimes we forget the importance of assessing the word energy. In fact, you are energy and I am energy. And so if energy is all around us, how important is it? Extremely. So as you look at this spectacular globe, think about it as positive energy. Can you see how it illuminates the surroundings? That's the type of attitude you must have. Based on your level of energy, you will either illuminate your surroundings or you will diminish them if you have a negative attitude. The same goes for your education. If you devote positive energy in being able to have that outlook on life where you are able to champion over any obstacle because of that positive energy, that optimistic attitude, then there's no barrier that can block you. But if you have a negative energy, there's a strong likelihood that it will be even more of a struggle for you to succeed. So energy is vital, and that's why we are going to be able to harness the positive energy today that you need to finish your semester strong. So I'm going to share with you these powerful tools, and I ask for you to go get a sheet of paper and a pen, and I want you to write down vertically the word energy. I want you to then think about what words you associate with the word energy. Now, these are the words that I associate with it, but you are free to take these words out and replace them with ones that you think are suited for the word energy. The goal of this is to be able to allow this activity to have you carefully examine and think about energy, and then how you can use those words to inspire you, to motivate you, and to allow you to achieve an awesome semester. So we have the word enthusiasm. When we look at the word enthusiasm, I want you to think about why I would place the word enthusiasm as the first word that I associate with the word energy. In order to understand enthusiasm, you have to understand basically what energy is. Energy is basically the strength or the vitality that one needs to sustain a particular physical or mental activity. So when you have an enthusiastic approach, you are able to have a positive feeling of excitement or a positive feeling used to be able to execute a certain task or to push through to achieve a certain goal. So when we look at the word enthusiasm and the word energy, these two can be closely connected. Now, the word navigate. When we look at the word navigate, we are looking at how you have a certain plan or strategy to direct yourself to a certain destination. What type of plan have you put in place to make sure that this semester ends on a strong note? Despite the fact that we are living in very challenging times, I am here to tell you that you are still meant to succeed in such a time as this. You have to believe that deep within yourself. I can tell you over and over and over again, but you have to make the choice to believe within yourself that this is possible. You can do this. So When you navigate your way through life, think about, are you navigating your way to the destination that you truly want for yourself? Oftentimes, students don't stop and think about what direction they are headed on. Oftentimes, they don't realize it until it's too late that they veered off the pathway of academic success. So take a moment and think about, what particular direction are you on right now? And is this the direction that you want to be on? Or do you need to make some sort of proactive change so that you can get on the pathway to academic success? Now we have the word endurance. When we look at the word endurance, we are basically discussing someone's ability to go through a trying time without giving up or giving in. What type of endurance do you have for the road that you're currently on and the road that you have yet to travel? Are you able to be steadfast and say to yourself, come what may, I am still determined to succeed, in spite of it all and even because of it all too? You have to have the mindset of a champion. A champion doesn't become a champion when they win the race. They are a champion even before they begin the race, because they have conditioned their mind to believe that no matter the challenge, they will be able to endure until they reach the finish line. Now we have the word ready. When we look at the word ready, we think about being fully prepared for a certain task or a certain assignment, being prepared for your exams and projects. Are you ready in terms of being fully equipped to achieve the results that you want at the end of the semester? How are you preparing yourself? If your classes are now all online, you need to make sure that you are being very attentive to what your professors are telling you in terms of being able to be in front of your computer or with your smartphone and watching them as they teach you online the directions and the instructions that you need in order to pass your particular class. Are you studying the way that you need to study? Are you finding any type of tutorials to help you so that you're fully prepared in order to succeed this semester? Do you have good and effective time management skills? All of these different things will culminate in you being able to be fully prepared to succeed no matter the outside obstacles that you're facing or the challenging times that we are living in. Now we have a word that I absolutely love, and it's the word greatness. Each and every one of you has greatness within you, and it's my job to bring that greatness out of you. You have the ability to do great things right here, right now. And so I want you to think about, how does earning a college degree or earning your high school diploma allow you to get 1, 2, 3 steps closer to achieving that level of greatness that you want within your life? If you're able to see how your education is able to catapult you into achieving that level of greatness that you want, then you are going to be more inclined to actively pursue your education and maximize your potential to the fullest. And then we have the most important word out of all of these words, and that happens to be you. You have the choice today to become whatever it is that you want to become. If you believe that you can be a great student, if you believe you can be a very diligent student, if you believe that you could be a student who has positive energy, I am here to tell you today that it is possible, but it all begins with you. My desire for you to succeed in school and in life cannot be greater than your own. So I ask you to choose wisely. How do you define yourself? That is the greatest definition that is here on this display. Do you define yourself in a way that is empowering, uplifting, and encourages you to face life's obstacles? Or do you define yourself in a way where you view yourself as being lesser, being defeated, being downtrodden? Change the way you think about yourself, and I guarantee you, you can change the circumstances that you are in. You can change your ability to achieve those things that you want if you have the right definitions or mindset when it comes to yourself, how you look at energy, and how you look at the world around you, and particularly as it relates to pursuing an education. Now, if you have been impacted by this particular presentation, if it has inspired you, motivated you, please share it with your friends and family members and also your classmates. This presentation, Harness Positive Energy Today, has been sponsored by the America My Oyster Association, where we believe that everyone is deserving of a college education no matter their present circumstances. And so we ask you to let us know how this presentation has inspired you by emailing us at americamyoysterassociation@gmail.com, and you also can visit our website, which is listed below. And we ask that you follow us on Instagram and like us on Facebook. And always remember that no matter what obstacles you face in life, look at these obstacles, adversities, and challenges as just the ticket to admission to the dream. And once you do that, then you will be able to achieve all that you have envisioned for yourself, as well as being able to earn all that you know you are deserving of. We wish you the very best, and thank you.